Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mars Explorer Hub. Yes, this is my channel, and today on Sol 10, our exploration continues across the vast red deserts of Mars. 10 Martian days may sound like a small number, but here on this planet, every soul feels like a chapter from another world, a page from the universe's oldest diary. The sky above Mars glows softly with a copper hue. The sun appears smaller, weaker, as if tired after shining for billions of years. The wind moves slowly, carrying fine red dust across the silent plains. And there, scattered as far as the camera can see, lie the stones of Mars, ancient, cold, and full of secrets. At first glance, they look ordinary, but to the trained eye, they are nothing short of messages from deep time. On this Sol, our rover's instruments detected something unusual, a cluster of stones shaped unlike anything we've seen before. Some are rounded, as if polished by water. Others are jagged, scarred by volcanic fire. But one rock, resting quietly in the shadow of a dune, has drawn global attention. Its surface has strange markings, thin, wave-like ridges frozen in place. To some, they resemble fossilized water ripples, the kind formed at the bottom of an ancient river. To others, they look like patterns of microbial growth, traces of life that may have existed when Mars was young. Billions of years ago, Mars might not have been this barren. Scientists believe that the planet once had a dense atmosphere, flowing rivers, and even oceans that shimmered under its pale sun. Imagine that world. The sound of water hitting rocks, the smell of minerals, and the hum of life evolving in its lakes. Now, all that remains are these silent stones, their colors faded, but their memories intact. As the rover's robotic arm touches the mysterious rock, sensors detect traces of hematite, olivine, and magnetite, minerals that form in both volcanic and aquatic environments. The analysis suggests something extraordinary. This stone might have been forged in fire and then shaped by water. Fire and water, two opposing forces working together to create a story written in stone. The rover's camera zooms closer, sending back images to Earth. Scientists in control rooms watch in awe. Some notice microfractures filled with bright crystal veins. Others point out spherical inclusions, tiny mineral bubbles, possible signs of chemical reactions that once supported microbial life. The data sparks debates across the world. Is this the first physical evidence of Martian biology? Meanwhile, the red planet remains silent, watching us through the eyes of our machines. Every click of the rover's wheels leaves a new trail across its untouched soil, a human footprint made by a robot. The stones around it seem to whisper through time. If they could speak, they would tell us stories of meteors that crashed, volcanoes that erupted, and oceans that disappeared. They would remind us that even in silence, the universe remembers. Night falls on Mars. Temperatures drop far below freezing. The planet's surface glows faintly under a thin mist of carbon dioxide frost. The rover powers down to conserve energy, but its cameras continue to record. Through the faint light, those same stones shimmer like ghosts of a forgotten era. Scientists believe that inside some of these rocks lie tiny air bubbles, microscopic pockets sealed billions of years ago. If those bubbles contain ancient Martian air, we could finally know what the planet's atmosphere once was. Perhaps we could even discover traces of oxygen, methane, or gases linked to life. The possibilities are endless, and every stone brings us one step closer to the truth. As the new dawn rises over the Jezero crater, Sol 10 ends, but the mystery deepens. The stones remain still, yet they change everything we know about Mars. They remind us that planets are not dead, they evolve, they hide, and sometimes they remember. When these stones finally reach Earth, they will be studied, tested, and scanned in laboratories. Scientists will hold them under microscopes, hoping to find microscopic fossils, the tiniest proof that life once lived on Mars. And if that day comes, humanity will change forever. We will no longer be the only living world in the universe. But even if we find nothing, these stones still tell us something powerful. That Mars once was alive with energy, with fire, with water, and with possibilities. The stones are not just rocks. They are witnesses of time, keepers of memory, and guardians of the universe's secrets. So as you listen now, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing there, the red horizon stretching endlessly, your shadow long and silent, the wind whispering through your suit. Beneath your feet lies a stone, glowing faintly under the sun. A stone that has watched a billion sunsets and still waits for someone to listen. This is Mars Explorer Hub, and this was Sol 10, the Whispering Stones of Mars. The red planet continues to challenge us, inspire us, and remind us how small we are in the face of time. The stones of Mars are more than objects. They're voices from another age, still speaking across the cosmic silence.